Hey guys, welcome back to Stocks, and when we talk about stocks, and yes, you got it by now, more stocks. Click the subscribe button down below, guys. Give it a like, comment and share. Links are in the description box down below. Join the Patreon, Discord server there 24/7 now, or access private server. Let's get into it. Guys, in this video I'm talking about GAXY. Now I did a video on them already, previously. And in this video I'm talking about the issue that's going on recently, and there's a development issue regarding Trading 212, who is my broker, and many millions others broker, and GAXY. And various other stocks they have banned unexpectedly for their clients, as they call them. And I have been affected, and millions others have been affected. I'm linking up in the video comments made by the community on GAXY on the Trading 212 community forum. I have been threatened against various staff members from Trading 212 for pointing out to them various stocks that are penny stock exempt, one of which is GAXY. What happened yesterday at trading, the 18th of February 2020, that they unexpectedly halted trading with GAXY. And they're citing an SEC rule, and that rule is section 240, subsection 3A, 51-1, definition of penny stock. That is the rule that they're citing on GAXY to not allow new investors to invest in GAXY, GAXY Next Generation, and current investors to up their positions with GAXY. I'm not going to go through the whole section of the of that rule that they are quoting on the notification, but just going through it, it's a requirement on paragraph 3 of this section. For the broker or dealer, they shall preserve as part of its records and copies of the financial statements required by the section for a specific period, and they cite subsection 17A 4B. Look guys, there's without a shadow of a doubt that GAXY Next Generation have been mistreated in this sense. And by Trading 212, I'm just looking up the price chart there for GAXY. I'm in them since December. I'm in GAXY since they were just 1 cent, and that was back in November 19th, and they have gone up to a high in the last month, to a high of 7 cents. And yesterday it was not a good day. They went down nearly almost 20% yesterday on the news of what Trading 212 have done. Now I have requested Trading 212 for a kind of statement. Obviously they refused, but they did, however, when I asked for a share certificate in the stock in question, they did respond, and they did, however, give me a kind of generated robotic reply, which, as an investor with 212, I'm not happy with. The question goes forward is, stocks, and where do you go from here? Or where do I go? Well, basically doing the copy and paste situation with what Robinhood did with a couple of stocks last month, stopping traders from trading those particular stocks, stopping them from selling it on dips, you know, millions of investors in America lost millions of dollars in those particular stocks that Robinhood and various other US-based brokers hold to trading with those stocks for investors. And what we're seeing here with GAXY Next Generation is just the tip of the iceberg. Before, it was a Bitcoin ETF. Bitcoin ETF, you know, they hold to trading on that. They hold to trading on a Bitcoin ETF site and FCA ruling. And for myself, as a non-UK retail investor, so to speak, if you want to put a definition on it, FCA ruling does not apply to non-UK based investors. And I'm sure you'll all appreciate that as well. So they've done it before with a notice, albeit the fact that because I'm not a UK based investor, I didn't think it would affect me, but it has affected me, and it cost me a significant amount of returns in Bitcoin in just one calendar month. Furthermore, I'm linking up discussions that's on the Trading 212 public forum. They're attacking the CFO for GAXY Next Generation. I want to make that correct, and the co-founder of GAXY Next Generation, Megan McGeehee. They're specifically targeted discriminatory against her in the sense where they're quoting the fact that she has a photo of her in a car. Now look, if I'm a CEO, right, and I'm on a salary, 4 figures, let's say 6 figures, and I have a trading platform allowing targeted discriminatory statements being made against my person on a sexist level and also on a discriminatory level, I'm not going to be happy. Especially with Trading 212, I'm going to link it up there. They put out their returns for the last trading year. They're up on trades, they're up on clients. I'm also linking a tweet from Trading 212's Twitter account where it says a waiting list now. Now there's not just a verification period, now there's a waiting list. So they don't want to allow new clients being registered within days so they can invest successfully. Now there's a waiting list now for a waiting list for a verification period. So I believe Trading 212 has a lot to answer for. The community forum is not enough. And also for the fact this is not video, it's not an attack against Trading 212. It's for potential investors in GXY as to what's going on. I'm very sure most of you are unaware as to what's going on. And you know, according to the CEC, you know, section 15B of the Security Exchange Act of 1934 Exchange Act, penny stock exempt is what GAXY is. And you know, Trading 212 are, you know, bending rules here and whatnot, and you know, kind of upping the bar, so to speak, in terms of what's allowed and what's not allowed. GPTC, for example, is penny stock exempt. Yes, it's not on the platform. But what I'm hearing from the community forum and Trading 212 is that, okay, GAXY Next Generation wasn't PSE before, but it was allowed on the platform. Now it's on the platform now it's been taken off the platform, you know, in the sense where they're putting a ban on trading. GAXY is on 4 cents at the moment. They're down 18.9% the last trading day. In the week they're down as well, a specific amount, but I'm in them, like I said to you, since November. If I go to show you the month on them as well, you know, they're a fantastic company. What I like about GAXY Next Generation is the educational emphasis of their sector, and I believe, personally speaking, that they need to up that in Corona times, especially with the plexiglasses. It will be highly needed in schools worldwide. So all you need is 1 or 2 major deals, you know, globally, and you can see that stock price jumping over 500%. Guys, I just want to clarify here that Trading 212 have not released an official statement regarding the unexpected and no notice given to its investors regarding the ban of GAXY Next Generation and various other stocks that they have banned. You're probably going to ask, and I'm going to answer this question for you, what next stocks then? Well, what's next is you could wake up one day, check your portfolio, and a couple of your stocks, they're banned. Just because Trading 212 are not happy with their intermediary and capital funds available to them. You know, like I said already, I bought into GAXY Next Generation, it was only 1 cent. So you can use your imagination how many shares I have with GAXY Next Generation. And I'm not to be able to up my position with a company I'm happy with. And also what the community are saying as well, they're attacking my person. I have staff members all threatening me with warnings. I'm putting up some links there about my kind of community work with 212. I am verified, I'm a valued member with Trading 212. There's no trolling or memeing on this channel, nor with my person. But I still have staff members attacking me, threatening me with warnings, just because I'm pulling them up on the fact that, wait a second, GAXY Next Generation is penny stock exempt, but you're blocking trading on it. You did the same thing with Bitcoin ETF too. You know, something has to give. And you're probably watching this in the UK maybe, or Europe. As far as I'm concerned, there's no other trading platform out there that is available to European investors other than 212. There's eToro, there's Questrade, and there DJRO, but look, 212, they know they have the monopoly in terms of the trading in Europe, and they're exploiting that in a sense where, you know, they can do what they want to do, you know, and I'm not happy with it. And I'm just going to finish off the video about the fact that they're citing Brexit. Well, Ireland has low corporation taxes. They can easily jump ship over to Ireland, get a lower corporation tax, and they'll be allowed to trade as is and provide the stocks as is. But they don't want to do that. They want to stick with the UK. They're stubborn, and guys, look, at the end of the day, let's make money and let's move forward with our investments. So guys, thanks for watching. Patreon link is down in the description box down below. And guys, once again, let's make money.